you.
I'm fine too. Thank you. So today I'm so happy because I meet you all in this class. And before we start the lesson, I want Hestiati, please pray.
Okay, friend. Are you
Lead
ready?
the pray, please. Sorry.
Are you ready, friend?
Yes.
Okay, before we start the lesson today, let's pray before. Pray begin. Finish.
Thank you, Hestiati, to lead the pray.
You're
Now,
welcome.
now I will check your present. All students present or any student absent, yeah?
Everyone is come today, ma'am, but I don't
Yeah.
know where's the others for the guys. Maybe they are going home first before the class ending.
Who is James?
Cristiano Ronaldo, ma'am.
Oh,
Cristiano, yeah. Oh, yes. Ma'am, not yeah.
I think only Cristiano didn't come.
Oh yeah. Ma'am, wanna ask you, do you remember the material last meeting? Kalian masih ingat pelajaran yang minggu lalu?
Yes, ma'am.
Apa itu,
What is the
Miss?
material?
Tentang deskriptif mungkin, ma'am.
Descriptive, ya. Nah, any others?
Ini.
Okay, last meeting we study about simple past.
Simple past,
tense.
ma'am.
Simple
Okay,
past.
simple past. And today we will applicate it in these materials. Okay, now by the way, do you like reading story?
Yes.
Apakah kalian
yes,
suka baca?
ma'am. Yes, yes. I like it very much, ma'am.
Nice. What story do you like?
I like myths, ma'am.
Myth. Have you ever read the story about Maling Kundang, Sang Kuryang, or the Legend of Toba Lake?
Yes,
Maybe?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Maling
I
kundang.
I ever
Hey, I like the segment.
Right. Do you know the story are example of narrative text?
no, ma'am.
Oh.
So now who can explain what is narrative text and what is the social function of narrative text? Mungkin ada yang bisa jelaskan apa itu narrative text dan apa social function-nya? Minggu lalu kan Mem sudah instruksikan untuk mencari referensinya internet ya.
I forgot, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Me, ma'am.
Ya, Hestiati, time is yours.
Okay, ma'am. Narrative text is a text that tells about story to entertain, ma'am.
Okay, narrative text is yes. Narrative text is the text story about the story that happened in the past, and the social function is to entertain the apa? The
reader.
reader. Now, in this meeting, you can look at the basic kompetensi dasarnya, and then learning objective, tujuan pembelajaran. Melalui model pembelajaran problem-based learning, peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi dan menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks naratif legend dengan benar. Jadi pada pertemuan kali ini, kalian akan mengidentifikasi dan menganalisis fungsi sosial struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan naratif teks. And in this material, we must answer the question, how is a good narrative text legend read and made? So now look at the text and read carefully. Please identify what is the social function of the text, generic structure, and language feature. Jadi di sini Mem ada menyajikan salah satu teks yaitu Maling Kundang. Silahkan kalian identifikasi fungsi sosialnya, generic structure, dan unsur kebahasaan. Okay, student, who can mention what is the social function of the story? Siapa yang bisa sebutkan apa sih social function dari Maling Kundang ini? James, maybe?
Menghibur, Mem.
Nice. The social function of the story Maling Kundang is to entertain the reader. Next, generic structure. Generic structure yang digunakan dalam cerita ini apa? Reski, maybe you can mention it. Struktur teksnya yang digunakan. Or Hestiati, could you mention generic structure?
Orientation, ma'am.
Orientation, ma'am. The first paragraph.
Yes, orientation in the first paragraph. And the second?
Complication, ma'am.
Complication.
Yes, complication. Excellent. And the last paragraph is
Resolution.
resolution. Why paragraph 1 called be orientation? Kenapa paragraf pertama itu dikatakan sebagai orientation?
Karena memperkenalkan ceritanya, ma'am.
Perkenalan ceritanya, ma'am.
Orientasi, ma'am.
Okay, to introduce the story and tell about
The
when
characters, ma'am.
Oh, excellent. Thank you, James. James, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And tells about the character. And next, paragraph 2. Why we call complication? Mengapa kita sebut bahwa paragraf kedua itu adalah complication?
Me, ma'am. Because there
James
are
again.
problems.
Yeah, right answer. Jadi pada paragraf kedua itu dia menjelaskan tentang problemnya, masalahnya sudah mulai berkembang di sini. And the last is reorientation.
Resolution, ma'am.
Resolution.
Solusinya, ma'am. Ada solution, berarti ada solusi.
Hesti-hati.
Untuk
Baik,
menyampaikan
Nicole.
solusi, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Others? The other answer? Reski?
Yes, ma'am. Ini tadi, ma'am, naganggu, Ki.
Oh, siapa itu? Don't disturb your friend ya. Jadi paragraf ketiga itu disebut dengan resolution karena pada paragraf ini dia itu sudah menyatakan bahwa story-nya itu sudah berakhir di sini dan ceritanya berakhir dengan tragic ending di mana Maling Kundang ini dikutuk menjadi stone. Dia dikutuk menjadi batu oleh orang tuanya. Next, we move to language feature. From the story, from the text, unsur kebahasaan apa yang digunakan di sini? Could you identify? Bisa kalian identify? Ya,
Past tense, ma'am.
Past.
ya, using past tense. Apalagi?
Adjective, ma'am.
Yes, nice answer. Using adjective. Next.
Verb of time,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ya,
Time. About time, ma'am.
okay, time. Now look at the social function of narrative text. Using past action verb dengan menggunakan past tense, yaitu contohnya live, became, broke, and others. Next, using adverb of time. What is adverb of time?
Keterangan waktu, ma'am.
Waktu, ma'am.
Dengan waktu.
Excellent. Adverb of time is keterangan waktu. Contohnya di dalam teks ini yang mana?
Once
Once
upon a
upon a
time.
time.
Yeah, once upon a time and
One day.
Nice. Next, use conjunction. What is the meaning of conjunction?
Kata penghubung, ma'am.
Kata
Kata
penghubung, ma'am.
penghubung. In the text,
Sambung, ma'am. Kata sambung.
dalam teksnya yang mana? Iya.
And. Kata and. Dan.
Nice. And next, use specific character. The character of the story is specific, not general. Jadi dalam naratif text itu kundang. And next, use the first person, I or we, or the third person. For example, she,
He.
they, and
He.
very good. And the last, use adjective. What is adjective?
Kata sifat,
Ria,
ma'am.
Kata sifat, ma'am.
Thank you, Ria. Kata sifat. Kurnia, bisa disebutkan yang mana kata sifat on the text? Where is the adjective on the text?
Ini ma'am, beautiful,
Yes. What
happy,
again?
quickly, and legend.
Okay, nice, Kurnia. Next, look at the generic structure of the narrative text. The first is orientation, where and when the story happened, and introduce the participant of the story, who and what is involved in the story. Jadi di orientasi ini dijelaskan bahwa di mana dan kapan cerita itu terjadi, serta menjelaskan tokoh yang ada di dalam story tersebut. Jadi dia di sini perkenalan ya, perkenalan tokoh. Orientation itu dia terletak in the first paragraph. Next, the second is complication. Complication is tell the beginning of the problem which lead to the crisis or climax of the main participant. Jadi di complication ini berisikan tentang masalah. Masalah di sini mulai berkembang hingga menuju adanya klimaks. Next, resolution. The problem is the crisis, of the main participant, where the problem in the story develop. Jadi di sini permasalahannya ini, di sini permasalahan ini sudah selesai di sini. Dia bisa berakhir dengan happy ending atau sad ending, bahkan tragic ending, bersifat tragis seperti tadi yang pada ceritanya Maling Kundang ya. Next, ada reorientation. This is a closing remark to the story, consists of a moral lesson or advice from the writer. And reorientation ini sifatnya optional, bisa ada dan bisa juga tidak. And the language feature tadi sudah dijelaskan. Next, now I want you divide you in 3 groups. And please the code or picture on your table. Silahkan dilihat kode atau gambar yang ada di meja kalian. Sudah? Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Sudah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now, the student get picture maling kundang is group 1. And
Yes, ma'am.
jadi siswa yang mendapatkan gambar maling kundang itu adalah kelompok 1 ya. Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the student get a picture of Sangkuriang is group 2. And the last, the student get picture Toba Lake Legend is group 3. Jadi sudah lihat ya. Now please join with your group. Arya please. Sekarang silahkan join. Cari pasangan kalian masing-masing berdasarkan gambar. Silahkan bergabung dengan grupnya.
Where is my couple?
Oh,
Siapa
sama
yang
kayak
mau
kita
pasangan
nanti.
aku? My group.
Okay, now I want share you LKPD. Sudah didapat ya kelompoknya?
Sudah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I share you LKPD, but don't forget you read the instruction before you do the task. Jadi jangan lupa dibaca ya petunjuknya sebelum dikerjakan. And don't forget to write down your name, place, group, and member of your group. Get it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now, to task 1, rearrange the jumble paragraph below to be a good order. Jadi, tugas kalian yang pertama itu kalian menyusun sebuah paragraf rumpang menjadi paragraf yang benar, menjadi sebuah paragraf naratif yang benar ya. Jadi,
Get it, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and the second task is after you rearrange the jumble paragraph above, answer the following question based on the information from the text. Jadi setelah kalian menyusun jumble paragrafnya itu, kalian menjawab soal yang ada di bawah ini. Get it?
Get
Or
it,
any
ma'am.
questions?
Get it, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Questions? Any
Yes,
questions,
ma'am.
James? Any
No,
questions?
ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Now, I give you time 20 minutes to do the task.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it your friends. How about with group 1? Any problems? Ada pertanyaan? Ada masalahnya?
No,
Nothing?
nothing.
Oh, ma'am.
Group 2? Any question? Group 2? James? Any
Lama,
question?
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It takes me long to read. Wait.
Oh, yes.
Bagi tugas Ki, cari Ki dulu yang mana situ kalau
Okay, you can divide your task, your job. Kalian bisa membagi tugasnya ya.
Ya, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
paragraf 1.
Group 3, any question? Any problem? Hestiati,
Yes, ma'am.
any problem?
Nanti yang mana
Nothing ya.
paragraf 1?
Okay, students, I think time is enough, and I want one of member of group presentation about the result of your discussion. We can start from group 1. Abdul Rahman, the chairman of the group 1.
Yes,
The lead of
ma'am.
group 1, sorry. Time is your, please.
Presentation, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present the results based on our discuss today, blah, 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 and finally, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Abdul Rahman. So, any comment or suggestion from the other group? Ada tanggapan atau saran to Abdul Rahman, to group 1?
Yes, ma'am. Tidak terlalu clear caranya, ma'am.
Ya, tidak terlalu clear ya.
Itu memang ST, ma'am. Ganggu terus, Ki.
Okay, next. Thank you, Abdul. You can sit down, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we move to group 2, James. Lead
Okay.
of group 2. Please present your result discussion.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Class, let me presentate our results of group discussion from group 2. I'm the leader in group 2, and behind me they were my members of group. The result of the group 2 is blah 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 blah, and the solution and the problem is blah 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 blah. That's all from us, group 2. Thank you very much for the time. If you want to ask about for us in group 2, you can ask me or for my friends again.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any comment from the other group? Ada tanggapan dari kelompok lain? Nothing.
Tidak ada, ma'am. Benar mi tadi, ma'am, kelompoknya.
Okay, thank you, group 2. Please sit down, please. And now we move
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
group 3. Hestiati, the lead of the group, please present your result discussion.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, time is yours, Hestiati, please.
Okay, thank you very much for the change. We are from the group 3. The jumble sentence is A, then C, E, and that's all from me, from us, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Hestiati. Sit down, please, Hestiati. Thank you. And after all group present the result of this discussion, I will evaluate is the perform of all group. I think it's good. You can analyze the social function, generic structure, and language feature of narrative text is a good ya. Jadi semuanya sudah menyelesaikan tugasnya dengan baik serta memberikan performa. Kalian sudah berpresentase dengan baik. But I will appreciate to group 2 as the best perform today. Give applause to group 2. Untuk grup lain bukan berarti kalian tidak baik ya. Tapi grup 2 mungkin lebih baik pada hari ini.
Thank you. I am the winner today.
Okay, student. Well, any can give a conclusion about the material today? Ada yang bisa memberikan kesimpulan tentang materi pada hari ini?
Bagus.
Ya, James, you can give conclusion about the material today.
I will give the conclusion about the materials for our discussion today because our group is becoming the best and the winner of group discussion today. The solution for our topics is
Blah blah blah.
narrative text, especially legend in Malin Kundang have their own meanings for the contextual in daily life. We as a children don't make our parents become anger. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, James, to your conclusion. So today we often talk about narrative text, which tell about the story that happened in the past. And the generic structure of the narrative text is orientation. What's again?
Orientation, complication, and solution. And for the structure, language feature we use
orientation.
Yeah.
Okay, have you any problem when you problem when today? Kesulitan dalam pembelajaran hari ini? Learning process today. Ada masalah yang ditemukan?
Nothing, ma'am.
So
Okay,
far, so
very
good, ma'am. We don't have any problem to our group.
Very
The
good.
lesson is very clear.
And for the next meeting, we will discuss about how to determine of a moral value of the narrative text, and you will retell about narrative text with your own word. Jadi minggu depan itu kita akan membahas tentang bagaimana cara menentukan moral value atau nilai moral di dalam naratif teks, dan juga kalian akan menceritakan kembali sebuah naratif teks berdasarkan kata-kata kalian sendiri. Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Edit, ma'am.
Okay, student, before I close the meeting today, let's pray together. Please, Mansur, lead the prayer.
Ma'am, is my voice clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Clear, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
your voice is very clear.
Okay. Okay, guys. Before we close the class, let's pray. Okay, finish. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you, Mansur, to
Yes,
lead the prayer. Okay, student, I think it's enough for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I invite Pak Abdul to ask a question, one question, or also give a suggestion? Please, Pak.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I think Ma'am Andi Sri Rahayu present is very well, very good, excellent. Using syntax, I think she know what the step of the syntax PBL. Very well, very good. Okay, I think just only give us a guess. When you give LKPD, or I think your movie, maybe movie, you don't show your movie, yeah?
No video.
Video,
Nah,
yes.
video, ma'am, sebenarnya ada video, tapi karena waktu yang limit, jadi saya tidak tampilkan video. Saya ganti dengan teks, ma'am. Seharusnya
Itu
video di
tadi
situ.
Saran dari ma'am kemarin kan untuk attract siswa dengan menggunakan video.
Soalnya videonya tentang story, sir, about maling kundang. Itu butuh waktu yang lama, padahal waktu kita untuk pre-teaching itu sedikit sekali.
Okay.
Makanya saya ganti dengan teks.
I think enough, ma'am. Yes, only about video.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Pak Abdul. Okay, again, I invite Pak Rifia, please.
Okay, yes, ma'am, thank you. Okay, Ma'am Andi. Jadi,
Yes, sir.
ya, appreciate ya buat penampilannya tadi Bu Andi. Cuman terkait sintaksikalnya saya menilai sudah lengkap. Cuman ada beberapa catatan sedikit terkait sintaks mengorganisasikan kelas ya. Tadi ada mengorganisasikan kelas, di situ Ibu memerintahkan siswa untuk mencari kelompoknya sendiri ya. Ya, jika itu dilakukan secara real, ya saya yakin siswa tidak akan membuat kelompok kayak jadi seperti itu. Jadi kalau bisa dibuat memang kelompoknya, jangan meminta siswa untuk mencari kelompoknya sendiri ya.
Sorry, sir, tadi sudah ada saya sampaikan bahwa yang dapat gambar ini dia kelompok 1, yang dapat gambar kedua kayak Sangkuriang dia kelompok 2, dan yang dapat gambar Tobalek itu kelompok ketiga, sir.
Bagaimana caranya dapat? Maksudnya gimana tuh?
Ada saya bagikan gambarnya di meja masing-masing, sir.
Oke.
Saya print out beberapa gambar. Bisa, sir?
Oke. Kemudian apa ya? Itu di apa namanya? Di LKPD-nya, saya tadi dengarkan rearrange the paragraph ya.
Yes, sir.
Ya, kemudian Ibu memerintahkan kembali untuk mengisi teks rumpang.
Yes, sir.
Ya, apa ada tadi teks rumpang atau bagaimana tadi? Yang disusunkan
paragraf rumpang, sir. Maaf saya ini kalian nggak konsen pada saat ngomong tadi mungkin. Paragraf rumpang, sir, mau dijadikan paragraf naratif yang baik dan benar. Paragraf naratif yang benar.
Bukan paragraf rumpang ya. Ya, bukan bukan paragraf rumpang. Kalau kalimat rumpang, ya. Kalau paragraf disusun rearrange into a good teks naratif ya, seperti itu. Disusun menjadi kalimat atau teks naratif yang benar, bukan rumpang ya.
Oh ya, sorry.
Kalau kalimat ya, tapi kalau ini bukan ya. Oke, itu saja, Meme.
Ya, oke, Pak. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Oke, Pak. Ibu Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the last students. I think there is an important of using video, because it can define, it can define when you present the pre-teaching and when you go to the main activity. Yeah. In fact, you can stop your video, even though it's not a complete video, because this is just practicing in teaching. So by using video, and then it is clear when you do the pre-teaching and when you do the main activity. Yeah, because you do not use video, so it seems that you takes too long in pre-teaching. Yeah, so it seems to me that to divide the group into to make a group division, it takes too long through the process. So it seems to me while the group division, it should be in syntax 2 after deciding the problem. Yeah, and also when you talk about the problem at the beginning of the main activity, it is clear yeah, that now you go to the main activity. So a problem, it is suggested to be given focus, yeah, or
Yes,
tell the focus that this is the problem. So your examiner later know that you come to the main activity. And then, yeah, you said that jumble sentence, but there is some questions that you give to the students.
Sorry, ma'am. Jambal paragraf maksudnya.
Yeah, I mean jumble paragraph, but there is a question that should be answered by the students. Number one,
Setelah, yes.
yeah, what is the relationship?
Setelah dia susun jambal paragrafnya itu dengan baik sesuai dengan struktur teks naratif teks yang benar, mereka dapat menjawab pertanyaan yang di bawah, ma'am. Ada 5 nomor di situ.
Yeah, but I see that the question just talk about the setting, just talk about the characters. The
No,
question
ma'am.
just refer to the characters,
No, ma'am.
because most of the questions starting with who. Yeah, that is setting. Yeah, you can look back. Okay.
Siap, ma'am.
Yeah, today is the end of our meeting. Yeah, so we have go through pengembangan materi, and then now we have been in pelaksanaan evaluasi, ya, pembuatan pelaksanaan evaluasi. Okay, I want to say good luck for Bapak Ibu. You still have 2 steps, ya. You are going to follow ujian komprehensif, and then after that you are going to be in full almost 2 months, ya, in PPL. Yeah, so always have a spirit to complete your PPG. Okay, see you. Yeah, if
Thank you very much for your.
Thank you, ma'am.
see you again
Suggest,
if we
ma'am.
still have time to meet. Okay, thank you very